7 things I do to have my home feel put together even when everything else is super busy or chaotic. Number 1, I make my bed every single day. It doesn't need to be perfect or anything, but having a made bed just makes the room instantly look put together. Not only that, it's a super small win that you can do very early on in the day, and that will cause momentum to keep it going for the rest of your day. The next thing I do is I get dressed to shoes. Whether I'm staying in or going out, there's something about being dressed to shoes that causes me to have my homemaking feel like it's on point, even when it's absolutely not. This sends a signal to my brain that I'm up and functioning and will cause me to be a lot more productive. The next thing I do is clear a visible surface. Clear surfaces just equal visual calm. Bonus, if you put away, not down, you won't ever have to deal with that cluttered surface again. I also start a load of laundry. Doing a small load of laundry every day just super works for me because it's less folding to do, and not to mention doing it every single day just make sure that I don't break the habit. I've tried doing multiple laundries in a day and it did not go well for me, but I know that everyone else is different. Another thing to do to have your home feeling more put together is open up a window. There's something to be said about what the fresh breeze will do to instantly lift the space. And yet another thing I do to have my home feel put together is that I unload or load the dishwasher depending on what time of day we're in. If we're in the morning, I unload the dishwasher. There was once upon a time where I didn't have one and I would unload the dish rack. So whatever it is that you have, it's just easier to keep it unloaded because that way you can just put your dishes in it as you go throughout the day and you don't ever have to worry about a messy sink, which adds a lot of pressure unnecessarily. It makes your home look messier than it actually is. Another thing to do to have your home instantly feel put together is beautify something. Whether that means lighting a candle, a diffuser, or putting some flowers up, there's just something to be said about having something beautiful to look at or smell in your home that will have your home feeling more put together. But if you want even more simple homemaking tips, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye!